What does it take? I mean, I just think on an even simpler level, we need to know where our food comes from and what it costs, not in money, but what it costs.
The commonality between our end of food production and energy production is the land and the concern for the land. We have cattle, but what we raise is grass. And we are stewards of the land that produces the forage for these animals, like the one that's right there.
Look at that, upstaging us again. For 20 years now, I've been upstaged by cows. Wrong show, dude. Everywhere I go. Well, look, I mean, we're here to talk about water, so run with it.
There it is. The gentleman who helped this project had nothing to do with the initial well site that was drilled in the 50s. And yet, our oil and gas industry in this state is still concerned with what landowners deal with every day and with what they're leaving behind as a legacy to us.